Hello, everyone, and welcome back, my dear students. I hope you and your family will be safe and fit at your home during lockdown. So, students, we all know what is special about today. Yes, my dear students, today we all are celebrating International Day of Yoga and today's date is 21st June 2020. Now, I will give a small information about Yoga Day. The International Day of Yoga is celebrated annually on 21st June since 2015, following its inception in the United Nations General Assembly in 2014 by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
योग हमारी पुरातन पारंपरिक अमूल्य देन है। योग मन व शरीर, विचार व कर्म, संयम व उपलब्धि की एकात्मता का तथा मानव व प्रकृति के बीच सामंजस्य का मूर्त रूप है। यह स्वास्थ्य व कल्याण का समग्र दृष्टिकोण है। योग केवल व्यायाम भर न होकर अपने आप से तथा विश्व व प्रकृति के साथ तादात्म्य को प्राप्त करने का माध्यम है। यह हमारी जीवन शैली में परिवर्तन लाकर तथा हम में जागरूकता उत्पन्न करके जलवायु परिवर्तन से लड़ने में सहायक हो सकता है। आइए हम एक अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस को आरंभ करने की दिशा में कार्य करें।
Yoga is a physical, mental, and spiritual practice which originate in India. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in his UN address, suggested the date of 21st June, as it is the longest day of the year in the northern hemisphere and shares a special significance in many parts of the world. Now, students, I would like to request you, your family, and your friends give a small contribution for our nation doing some yogasana. Now, let's begin with meditation. For meditation, you have to sit in Padmasana or sit in Ardha Padmasana position or sit normally. Sit as per your comfort position during meditation. Now, all of you take your comfort position and start doing slowly breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Take your breath slowly, slowly. Slowly inhale and exhale. Breathe in and breathe out. Do the meditation for 3 to 5 minutes. Now, let's begin with standing asana. Our first asana is Tadasana. Tadasana Stretch your entire body right from the arm to the abdominal till your legs. It's improve your posture and prepare for other asana. Hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. Vrikshasana, the beautiful asana for balance and stability. It's develop focus and concentration power. It's also strengthening ankle, knee and legs muscle. Hold it for 15 to 30 seconds on both sides. Next asana is Padahastasana. It stretch your spine and flexible. It's also improve blood circulation in the body. Hold this asana for 30 seconds and slowly come up with give the counter stretch in Ardha Chakrasana. It's strengthening your upper back and tone your abdominal organs. It's good for the people who have posture defect. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds and slowly come up. Trikonasana. It's strengthening and stretches your back and thigh and leg muscle. It's also reduce blood pressure, stress and anxiety. Hold the asana for 10 to 15 seconds on the both sides. Moving into sitting asana, we first have Bhadrasana. Strengthening the legs, tone the thigh and makes the hips flexible. It's help keep the mind focused and relax. Hold the asana around 30 seconds. Vajrasana. This asana helps in digestion and cure stomach disorder. It's reduce fat from the lower body and make it flexible. Hold it from around 15 to 30 seconds. Ustrasana. It's improved digestion and respiration. It's relieve lower back pain and stretches your shoulder and back muscle. Hold the asana for 15 to 30 seconds. Shashakasana. It's give a good relaxing stretch to your upper back. This asana relax your mind and relieve depression. Hold it for around 30 seconds. Next, we move to the prone posture and first is Makara Asana. This asana the relax and heal your entire spine. In fact, this pose is best for relaxing after doing other prone line asana. Bhujangasana. This is one of the best backward bending posture for healing and strengthening the spine as well as toning the abdominal organs. Hold the asana 30 to 15 seconds. Next, we move to the spine lines posture. And the first is Uttan Padasana. This asana helps to tone abdominal, thighs and hips. It's also cure disorder of stomach and indigestion. Hold the asana with deep breath and try to hold this position 30 to 60 seconds. Let's now do the Ardha Halasana. This asana is very good to reduce belly fat. It's improve digestion and also stimulate the blood circulation. Hold it about 30 seconds. With deep breath, slowly come down. Last but not the least, we now practice Shavasana. Shavasana at the end of all asana. It's relax and regenerate entire physical, mental and the spiritual self. It's release the fatigue, stress and tension. Practice Shavasana 5 to 10 minutes.